Welcome to Guru Sai Maths. I am Padma. This is part 2 video. Second sum. First sum in part 1 video we have seen. Second sum is arrange the following in descending order. Descending order means what? We arrange from bigger to smaller one. Bigger numbers to smaller numbers, that is descending order. So here given fractions. So fractions, if we want to arrange fractions in descending order, then denominator should be equal again. So here denominator is different. So we have to take LCM for these three numbers. So LCM means what? 9, 3, 21. 3 goes with 3 numbers. So 3 3s are 9, 1 3s are 7 3s are again 3 1 again 7. If you put 7 because it is not goes on 3. So again 7 1 1 7. So I mean here 1. So you multiply 3 3s are 9 7s are 63. So LCM is 63. So you change 9 as 63 and 3 is 63 and 21 as 63. So 2 by 9. Which number multiply with 9 we get 63, 7. So not only denominator, numerator also we should multiply with 7. So 7, 7, 2 sums are 40, 9 sums are 63 and also 2 by 3. 3 with into 21 is 63. So 2 into 21 is 42. So 8 by 21. So 8, 21 3s are 63. So 3 3 multiply numerator and denominator. So 24 by 63. Again 42 by 63 we get 24 by 63, 14 by 63. This is now denominator are equal. So we see only numerator, which one is bigger, smaller. So this is bigger number 42. So 24, 14. So I arrange this order. And then 42 by 63 means what? 42 by 63 means here 2 by 9. No, 2 by 3. Yes. So we write 2 by 3. And 24 by 63 means 8 by 21. So 8 by 21, 2 by 9. We have arranged descending order these three fractions. Next sum also like this. You try. If you have any doubt, you ask comment section. Okay, now we move on fourth sum. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Perimeter means what? We have to add all the sides of the given figure. That is perimeter. So perimeter of a rectangular sheet of paper, the formula is 2 into length plus breadth. I think you have studied last year. So 2 into length is here what? 12 1 by 2 and breadth is wide is 10 2 by 3. So here we write, and mixed fractions are here. So we have to convert into proper fraction. You multiply these two numbers and add with numerator. These two numbers with the multiply and add 2. So we get like this, and then we have to add these two fractions means what? What we have to do? Denominator is different here. So we take LCM. So 3 to LCM means what here? 6. So LCM is 6. So 2 into 3, 6. So again numerator into 3. Again 3 into 2 is 6. So numerator also multiply with the 2. So 75 by 6, 64 by 6. Common term 6. So add. We get 139 by 6. We remove brackets. So into 139 by 6 we can cut 2 and 6 in same table. So 2 tables. So 1 2s are 3 2s are 6. So we get 139 by 3 equal to, we change into mixed fraction. So divide by 3 139. So we get 46 1 by 3. This is quotient, this is remainder by divisor, denominator. That's all. Okay, fifth sum is find the perimeter of triangle ABE, first division, second division the rectangle BCDE. In this figure, whose perimeter is greater? They have asked whose perimeter is greater. So we have to find separately perimeter of triangle and perimeter of rectangle and then compare two figures, which one is greater. Okay, this is figure. Here this is ABE is a triangle, BCDE is a BCDE is a rectangle. Here the sides are given. So here BE is 2 3/4 means here also 2 3/4, because in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Same as opposite sides are equal. Here 7/6, here also 7/6. Okay, perimeter of triangle ABE. So we should add three sides of a triangle AB, BE, AE. So 5/2 we put a value of each side. 5/2, 2 3/4, 3 3/5. Again we have to convert into fraction. You know that. So we get like this. Now denominators are not equal. So we have to take LCM. If we want to add these fractions, so 2 4 5 means here what we get 20, LCM 20. You know that, you check it here, and 20 means here we change denominator as 20. So into 10 into 10 into 5 into 5 into 4 into 4 we get like this. Now denominators are equal, so we can add a numerator. So numerator 177/20 and divide this, we get mixed fraction. Now second division is perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle means we have to add all four sides. Now I add all four sides. So four sides values are this, and LCM is 12. We have to take LCM here 12. So we change as 12 as denominator. We get here and 12. So numerator is this numerator. We should add these numerators, and 94/12 we can get. Now cancel. We can cancel in same table. So 2 table I cancel. 47/6 to mixed fraction. So you divide 47/6, we get this mixed fraction 7 5/6 centimeter. Okay, now this is 7 5/6 centimeter. Already we have find 8 17/20. Which one is higher? Which one is greater? So triangle value is greater. So the perimeter of triangle is greater than the perimeter of rectangle. There is 8, here 7. So that is greater than this one. So the perimeter of triangle is greater than the perimeter of rectangle. We move on. Sixth sum. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3/5 centimeter wide. So the picture size is given. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3/10 centimeter wide. Given condition is that should be in the picture size. How much should be the picture be trimmed? So what to do? So we have to subtract 7 3/10 from 7 3/5. Okay. So this is mixed fraction. Change into improper fraction. Take LCM and change denominator as same. Then we get here like this, and 76 minus 73 is 3/10 centimeter. This is answer. Next sum is seventh sum. Ritu ate 3/5 part of an apple, and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? 3 questions are asked here. Now we want to know how much part of the Somu eat. So we have to subtract Ritu 8 3 by 5 part from 1. Isn't it? So subtract 3 by 5 from 1. So 1 by 1. Here 1 5 are different. So LCM is 5. So change as 5 and then we get 2 by 5. That is Somu ate an apple 2 by 5 part. Somu ate an apple 2 by 5 part. Ritu ate 3 by 5. Which one is greater? 2 by 5, 3 by 5. 5 are same denominator. So 3 by 5 is greater 2 by 5. That is Ritu ate larger piece. And how much they have asked. So Ritu had the larger share by, we subtract these two fractions, 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So 3 minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 part larger share to Ritu. So that's all. Eighth sum is Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? So we have to compare both hour. Who one worked longer? So we have to take LCM and 7 by 12, 9 by 12. We get here compare. So 9 by 12 is greater. 7 by 12 is smaller. 9 by 12 means what? Here 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is whose one? 3 by 4 is Vaibhav. So Vaibhav is worked. So Vaibhav worked longer. By fraction, they have asked what fraction was it longer. So we have to subtract 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. So we get 1 by 6 hour. So by what fraction was it longer means 1 by 6 hour. Okay, we have finished chapter 2, 2.1 exercise. In next video, we will see 2.2 exercise. I think you understood clearly. If you like this video, you share, like, comment and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section.